Continuing on, CNC ring number 6031. We're on to the 15-16 SP game used and the Expo box of Enshrined. Starting with the SP game used. Alright, All-Star Skills, dual jersey between the Bruins and Devils, Patrice Bergeron and Patrick Elias. Base jersey for the Washington Capitals, John Carlson. We've got a Draft Day Marks short print, numbered 8/10 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Eight of 10 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Sweet. We've got a two-color rookie patch number /99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Josh Anderson. And a base jersey for the Montreal Canadiens, P.K. Subban. All right, now onto the Expo box of Enshrined. All right, we start with a class of 2003 dual jersey numbered 1/45 between the Oilers and Sabres, Grant Fuhr and Pat LaFontaine. 1/45, Grant Fuhr, Patty LaFontaine. We've got a silverware jersey blue, numbered 3/15 for the Vancouver Canucks, Pavel Bure. 3/15 for the Canucks, Pavel Bure. We've got an Enshrined 8-way jersey gold, numbered 5/5, which will be randomed between the Kings, Red Wings, Avalanche, Stars, Flames, and Blues, Rob Blake, Dominic Hasek, Sergei Fedorov, Nicholas Lidstrom, Peter Forsberg, Mike Modano, Phil Housley, and Chris Pronger. 5/5. And we've got a showcase jersey and auto blue, numbered 3/10 for the Detroit Red Wings, Brett Hull. And the Expo topper is a 1/1 cyan printing plate for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Mats Sundin. Coming up next, the Cup.